There are probably times when you want to reorganize the banks on your Morningstar controller. Also, you may want to rearrange switch presets within a bank and have them be in different positions. This is extremely simple. Hey again, and welcome back to another video. Changing the order of your banks and rearranging your switch presets is something you inevitably would want to do as your needs change. Let's get right into it. To rearrange your banks, click on Controller Settings, select Bank Arrangement and enable Custom Bank Sequence. Then simply drag and drop your desired banks in the order that you want them to be in. You can choose the number of banks you want to have. For example, if you only want these 10 banks to be in your custom sequence, you can just drag them and leave the others behind. After you've dragged your banks over, you can still rearrange them to be in the order that you wish. To remove banks from the custom sequence, simply drag and drop them out of the box. Once you have your desired banks in the correct order, save the custom sequence by clicking on Save. Now, when disconnected from the editor, only the 10 banks we dragged and selected are present, and going past bank 10 will loop us back to bank 1. If you want to revert to the original bank sequence, you can do so with just one click by disabling Custom Bank Sequence. Your custom bank sequence remains saved in the editor, and you can go between the original and custom sequences anytime. And if you wish to create a new custom sequence from scratch, clicking on Clear Custom Sequence will let you start afresh. Now let's move on to rearranging switch presets within a bank. To rearrange presets within a bank, click on Rearrange under the Presets column. You can then drag and drop to rearrange presets within a bank. Dragging a preset and placing it on top of another will cause the two presets to swap positions. Once you have your ideal arrangement, click on Save and your switches will now be in their new positions. Straightforward and simple. What if you filled up your controller and have no more space for new presets, and you have upcoming gigs that require you to create new banks and presets? You may prefer not to overwrite your old banks and presets in case you need them again in future. So what to do then? That's when the Morningstar Setlist Manager comes in handy. We've made a video about that before and linked it in the description below if you're interested. If you found this video useful, do remember to give it a like, and a subscribe to the channel would be very much appreciated. We'll catch you in the next video.